This week is all about wacky words we work with. How's that for some alliteration for you? Throughout this week, we're going to talk about who's who in the dance studio world. We're going to talk about the difference between like your standing and working leg, warm up and cool down. We're going to talk about blocking and marking, a little bit about spotting, and some stage terms. We've already kind of discussed about the fact that dance in general has its own unique way of doing things. When we look at words in ballet, you'll find that most of the words are French and some are derivative of Italian terms. I always equate anything that we use in ballet as ballet French, as it doesn't really use formal French as a means of speaking. Just like ballet has its history and why we use the terms we do, and that it's easier to understand once you know how they translate. When you understand some of the terms that we use in the entertainment realm and the dance realm specifically, things start to make a bit more sense. Sometimes things can be said because of superstition, which I will get to later on in the week. Us entertainment people are kind of creatures of habit, and there are a lot of just traditions that we have, and we don't like breaking them. It's like a rule for us. So I hope you enjoy this week as we explore some of these wacky words that we work with. I will see you tomorrow.